Yo, we just got down a walking street. We're gonna go have a look at some of the clubs.
Oh, come on then. Go on, let's have
100 baht for one and 200 baht 10 ball. Yeah, and 200 baht 10
Making sure. Oh, let's try new one.
I was gonna fuck them up, bro.
I don't even think there's water
No,
in
but
it.
they've been getting dunked. They got dunked spare time.
Bro, you're wasting the ball.
I just want to throw it now, bro. They've been dunked spare times. I thought they were fresh people. I thought they were fresh people.
My ball now.
Cool, let me get one.
Here.
One more.
Oh, you
Oh
crap.
no.
Go on.
Hey, come on. Oh man.
Shocking.
Now look, they've got shooting range and everything here.
Oh, now you got to let me do this, man.
Sign it then. Boy. Little boy. We nearly missed the street as well because people kept sending us in the wrong direction.
Oh, what's going on?
Searching for the water.
Huh? He can't come in, man. My son's with me. He's too young.
I take care.
You take care. You take care. Dragon. They're offering having to sort Brody out, man.
You want them to look after you, bro. You want them to look after you.
Burger King look. The pink one sure looks good, to be fair. Like the bear was just smoking a cigarette with a food. The bear was just smoking a cigarette with a food. Look, look at the thing. On the sign there, look.
We blow smoke. Hey, ping pong show! Right now,
Look.
Right now.
Right. Yeah. That looks good. Look. No. Doner kebab, man. This is sick. This is better than Bangkok.
Sure.
Roman, that's not a bad price, to be fair. It's down for 49 baht. That's cheaper than what we were paying in the bottles, man. No. For drafts, that's cheap.
To exit Club.
It's a little bit quieter down this end compared to the other end. Boss Club, huh? Escobar, shut down, man, look, for rent. Let's set up a strip club in Thailand.
Call Infinity Smoke. How do you do this?
This is like the 5th one we've gone past. When we come back down, we'll do it, yeah.
Oh,
Look, there's loads of them.
No, I done it yesterday, bro. I the real country.
What?
The real country. Wait, no, real
Turn
one.
around.
Oh, Lady Boy.
No,
Lady Boy. That's Lady Boy.
that one what? Oh, there's a new fresh thing in the water then.
Lady Boy, that one, Lady Boy, man.
You want to hold the snake as big as yours?
What? Fuck that. Oh, is that out?
There's a sex bar called Hot Tuna. I ain't no hot tuna, bro. This hot tuna, man. Well, a bear called there then. Ah, look at this. That's booze, look at that, man. Oh.